Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Download the official Voice.ai installer for Windows and run it as administrator to avoid permission errors. Create a Voice.ai account with a verified email and enable two-factor authentication for security. Choose the appropriate license or free tier and confirm your subscription or trial before proceeding. Install the companion components prompted by the installer, including drivers for virtual audio routing. Reboot the PC after installation to ensure drivers load. Log into the Voice.ai client and allow microphone access when Windows prompts, then continue to the configuration. Set your physical microphone as the input device in Windows sound settings and confirm Windows recognizes it. Install and route audio through virtual audio cable or voice meter for app capture, assigning Voice.ai input to the virtual cable output. In Voice.ai audio settings, set sample rate to 48,000 Hz and buffer latency to 20 ms for low lag while preventing glitches. Disable exclusive mode in Windows for both input and output devices. Run the built-in mic test and adjust gain so peak levels. Select and download a voice model inside Voice.ai, then click Activate to load it into memory. Larger models take longer and use more RAM. Use the noise gate at -40 dB and EQ presets to shape tone before output, and apply mild compression with a 2:1 ratio to smooth dynamics. Route Voice.ai output to your communication app by selecting the virtual cable as microphone in the app settings. Test in a call. Monitor CPU and GPU usage, and lower model quality if you exceed available resources.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.